Look what I made. My friends are coming over tonight. I made this viral chicken Alfredo pasta I saw online. First, I'm going to sous vide the chicken. Here I have chicken, garlic, pepper, chili pepper, and vacuum bag. Let's get started. Let's prepare the garlic. Next, marinate the chicken. Add some salt and a little bit chili pepper. Okay, now I'm going to put each piece in the bag. Like this. Then you put garlic. Add piece of butter. Curl down like this. Ew. Now the bags are sealed and my machine is ready. Alright. I use the kitchen tools to keep the bags submerged. And I set it for 1 hour. See you after 1 hour. Alright, after 1 hour, the chicken's ready. Look. Let's sear the chicken right now. I'm going to add some pepper. Wow, it smells so good. My friend will love it. Smoked paprika. They like spicy. Next, I'm going to cook the pasta. Today, I'm using this one. I was struggling at the supermarket because I saw there's a wider size of the pasta, but finally, I picked this size. Let's cook it. The water is ready. Adding olive oil, salt, adding the pasta. Let it cook about 10 minutes. I'm going to prepare the Alfredo sauce by using cream and onion. Oh, and the garlic we chopped earlier. Dice the onion. Roughly chop it. Butter. Cream, spice time. Let's make the simple seasoning for the Alfredo sauce. Oregano, thyme, basil, sage, dry parsley, white pepper, and some salt. Spice. The pasta is ready. Let me strain it out. Noodle back into the sauce. Adding more butter at the end for more flavor. It's done. Time to play up. Oh my god, I almost forgot garnish with Parmesan cheese. Ooh. You can add into the pasta. But still looks pretty, I think. Wow, it looks pretty and stunning. Oh, my friends are here. I gotta go. I will make more recipe like this. See you next time.